Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today the 2020 Holden Astra, stock number 7231. It's ran from the 9th 2016 to the 12th 2020. It's a B14X FT 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a B14X FT 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory magnet tyre. Front bonnet, left rear 17-inch factory magnet tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 17-inch factory magnet tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory magnet tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,